curious minds. You see them everywhere, their black and white plumage flashing as they strut across the lawn. But the magpie isn't just a pretty bird with a distinctive call. They are absolute geniuses of the sky. Ready for 3 minutes of mind-blowing magpie facts? Let's dive into why these birds are basically the superheroes of the avian world. First up, the magpie is the only non-mammal animal proven to recognize itself in a mirror. It's one of the few species, along with great apes, dolphins, and elephants, that can pass the mirror test for self-recognition. Researchers put a mark on a magpie's throat, a spot they couldn't see directly. When the magpies saw their reflection, they immediately started scratching at the spot on their own body to remove it. Talk about self-awareness. This intelligence puts their relative brain size on par with great apes. Next, magpies are the ultimate social networkers. They live in small, stable family groups that defend territories year-round. Outside of breeding season, younger birds often form large bachelor flocks. But it's not just basic social structure. Magpies build some of the most complex nests in the bird kingdom. Huge, dome-shaped fortress made of sticks, with a small entrance to deter predators. It's essentially a bird bunker. Now let's bust a major myth. Magpies are famous in folklore for being thieves obsessed with shiny objects. Think of the opera, The Thieving Magpie. But studies show this is mostly a myth. Researchers presented magpies with piles of food next to shiny objects like foil and screws. The magpies were actually nervous around the unfamiliar shiny objects and mostly ignored them in favor of the food. They're curious, yes, but not the jewelry snatchers of legend. Beyond just black and white, while the Eurasian magpie is famous for its striking tuxedo look, many species have a dazzling secret. Their black feathers are actually iridescent, shimmering with spectacular greens, blues, and purples in the sunlight. And for our friends in Australia, the Australian magpie is known for its incredibly melodious, flute-like song, often described as one of the most beautiful bird calls in the country. It's certainly more pleasant than their loud signature chatter. Finally, did you know magpies can actually recognize and remember individual human faces? If you've been kind to a magpie, unkind might remember you for years. So next time you see a magpie, remember you're looking at one of the smartest, most architecturally skilled, and emotionally complex birds on the planet. They truly deserve a salute. If you learned something new, hit that like button and subscribe for more wildlife facts. Which other bird should we investigate next? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.